Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Music on multiple devices. So using Amazon Music on multiple devices is easy, but there are a few rules depending on your subscription. So actually guys, first you will need just to know that you can install and log into Amazon Music on your phone, tablet, in other phone, even on your PC, as you can see, or a web browser. Okay, so I'm using a web browser right here. So just use the same Amazon account on your device. But first, you will need to understand the device limits, and that's important. So with Amazon Music Free and Prime, so you can log in on many devices, but you can only play music on or in one device at a time. So if you start playing on another phone, it will pause the first one and start on the actual phone. That's for the Prime, okay? But with Amazon Music Unlimited, like individual plan, it's same as I told you, but still only one device streaming at once, okay? So if you are with the family plan, then you can go with up to 6 devices that can stream music at the same time. And each person can use their own profile. So to switch between devices, you will need at first to play a music. So for example, let's go with a random one. So let's say that we are playing the music just right here, alright? All you need to do is to go ahead and pause it, okay, on the actual device or on the first device, and then just open Amazon Music on your phone, for example, if you're using it on the web browser, and then just play your music right there on the phone. So it should work instantly. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.